call the second main speaker from Good Hope Nurs Pri-Bor School, who is none other than Mrs. Ayen Anyang Alier. So you are highly welcome.
The team of judges plus 2 competing champions who are fighting for their right. One and not forgetting you, my dear lovely ladies and gentlemen, in front of you is none other than Ayen Anyang Alier, ready to oppose the motion, which is well stated that model life is better than joy. I oppose it because of my following rules. Please, please judges, allow me to go to rebuttal the point that was said before. My dear opponent talk about electricity. Electricity can kill a lot of people now, but electricity was caused by technologies, which is not good. Electricity can kill people in the area. Not once, but a lot of people in the area, which is not good, and this is the reason why I disagree with your point. Through the table, Mr. Honorable Debate Chairperson, may on the judges and back to the audience. Not only, but I would like to back up the point that was said, that was rebutted by my opponent. My opponent said that my opponent said that the point of living long is not good. But for me, I say that this point must be good because long time ago people can live long, but now people cannot live long because of some technologies that are brought in the world. Like this, guns can kill a lot of people, and this makes people not to live long now. My dear opponent said that God kill people. Dear opponents, dear proposers, is God a killer? No. God is not a killer, but she said that God is a killer. How God kill people, but technologies kill people, not our God kill us. And this is the reason why I submit the motion. To the table, Mr. Honorable Debate Chairperson, now the judges and back to the audience. Especially to my points, I would like to talk of taking care of children. Long time ago, people can take care of children whereby they can bring them together and tell them the stories of their cultures before. But now this cannot happen, and this way you can find young children drinking wine. Or is it good for a young child to drink wine? No. And this is the reason why I disagree with the motion. To the table, Mr. Honorable Debate Chairperson, may all the judges and back to the audience. Not only that, but I may also talk of lack of respect. Long time ago, young children can respect their elders, but now this cannot happen. This is where you can find a young child abusing a big person, which is not good. And this is the reason why I disagree with the motion. To the table, Mr. Honorable Debate Chairperson, may all the judges and back to the audience. Not only that, but I would like also to talk of. Archaeological discoveries, for example. Ancient sites such as mural painting and site of pyramid art as instructors and contribute us about understanding the past. And this is the reason why I disagree with the motion. To the table, Mr. Honorable Debate Chairperson, may all the judges and come to the audience. Not only that, but I would like also to talk of. I would like also to talk about communal work. Communal work is a work done together by community members. For example, long time ago, people can work together peacefully and lovely, but now people cannot work together. Thanks for your warning. People cannot work together. Whereby people, if they try to stay together, they can shoot themselves using guns, which is not good. And this is the reason why I disagree with the motion. To the table, Mr. Honorable Debate Chairperson, may all the judges and back to the audience. Summary, I would like to say the quote in the Bible, that the quote in the Bible, Exodus 20 verse 12, say that honor your mother and your father so that you may live long in the land that Lord your God has given you. What I want to mean is, respect your mother and your father so that you may live long in the land that your God has given you. We are living here now to show our God, to do our things and to live in future. And we are doing this for our futures and things that are coming ahead of us. And somebody have learned to talk of, somebody have talked of taking care of children, lack of respect. So we don't like to conclude by saying that do not train a child to learn. Do not train children to learn by force, but and hurry. Train them to know something in future. Thanks.